What means volunteering for and why is it important?
For me,
Yes?
okay. For me, volunteering is the way how we can help the people and how we can change the world, because if everyone will make some small steps to understand each other, to help people around us, it would be better and our world would be better, and the people can change everything if they want.
How did you find this project?
It's easy. I find it in the portal Europe EU, if I read correctly, and that's it. I understand and I want to be a part of a non-government organization in the foreign country for me, and understand how work this organization, how they exist, and what they do, and how they do it.
What do you want to do for the society?
I want okay. I want that the people. Okay. I want that people love each other, understand each other, and no hate in the world, because it's sucks.
Thank you so much.